Hi, in this video I'll talk about the air computing. Air computing is a trademark of 5J research. It's a unique computing concept given by 5J research, first time in the world, and it's very important why we should move and look forward for the air computing, because today the whole digital divide is due to non-availability of computing infrastructure everywhere. But once we move to air computing, our computing infrastructure and computing resources will be available everywhere and anywhere. That is leading to the computing anywhere concept. Apart from the computing anywhere concept, the air computing will also facilitate the faster computing and easier computing, and the low cost computing, low energy computing, low density computing, low form factor computing. The reason because today the industry is looking for new computing technology is because the silicon based computing has been getting very fast disrupted and becoming redundant. The reason because the computing speed of the silicon wafer is getting restricted because due to the saturation already achieved in integration of the transistors. And since last so many decades, probably maybe more than 75 years, we are using this technology in some form or other form, that is transistor based technology for computing. And now it has lived to the longer life cycle. Now the time has come when the world should look for the alternate computing media and alternate computing technology. And one of the computing technology we have proposed and we have innovated is the air computing, where the computing happens on the air molecule itself, because air molecule been already used since so many years as a data transmitter or as a signal transmitter, which actually through which we power our internet or Wi-Fi's, and we power our mobile communication, we power our satellite communication. So the molecules inside the air are always charged and always having the electrical signals. Now only thing is these strength of air molecules being not utilized ever for computing purposes. So through our research, we want to actually mobilize the air molecule as a computer, and we want to make possible computing everywhere and anywhere, at the fraction of cost and at a very higher speed. The reason because today the world need high computing, high speed computing, the computing which works 10 times, 100 times faster than what the silicon based chips and processors are actually giving to the world. Now, because the world is moving towards the high performance computing, they are actually deploying many AI models, they are deploying the large data applications which runs very faster, which requires 10 times, 100 times faster computing than what we are seeing today. So those high performance computing application will be feasible to have through air computing. So air computing has other advantages also, and as we progress in our research work, we will remain updating the world with the advantages of air computing as a technology, as a computing technology. At the present, we have launched the very concept level research in association with JNNCE Moga, and this research project is NBARB, which is Nagappa Baidyanath Air Computing Research Program, and the objective is here to go in details and depths of the air computing and to come up with the prototype technology where we can demonstrate how the air as a computing technology are better than the silicon based medium which we are using in the present scenario as a computing technology. And then these technology will be further developed for generating the computing chips and the processors. Okay, so these are the air chips, these are no longer the silicon wafer chips. So that is the whole disruption of the silicon wafer technology and and we are trying to take the computing industry in a very innovative era where there no need to manufacture or fabricate a chip, but inside the air itself you can avail your computing at any time. At a touch of the finger, anywhere on the earth, you will able to avail the computing facility. So that's the beauty of this air computing, and we look forward working with all relevant stakeholders in order to kind of evolve these technology further. Thank you.